Hello everyone, welcome to Rev Sports. I am Srishti and here I am to bring you all the fan perspective from the Badminton World Championship Day 2. So first things first, today in the morning the crowd was quite lesser than the day 1 which we saw yesterday. The case was not same today because in the morning the crowd was quite lesser, and a few changes which I noticed, it was the boards. There were boards which were showing directions, inside the lobby. The boards were showing the directions like way to washrooms, way to cafeteria, and way to places, which was making things easier for the people. And also there is another washroom in the other end which most of the people obviously did not notice in the earlier times. So these were a few changes which I noticed today. And if we talk about the crowd, once again there was a bunch of children. There was a group of children where those children came in to watch badminton, to support the Indian players obviously, and those children play football. So that was another interesting thing which I saw today. And apart from that, the moment the time was arriving for Lakshya Sen to come in, with the badminton, at that time I could see a bit increase in the crowd, like as if the people were waiting for Lakshya Sen to come in and to play. And the moment his name was announced, the crowd literally got crazier. Yes, the crowd definitely cheered for all the Indian players, each and every players. But the moment Lakshya Sen came in, even before him coming in, when the name was announced, the crowd literally went crazy. And the moment he came in, obviously they got crazier, and the whole stadium was echoing with "Let's go Lakshya, let's go India, India," and that chants everywhere. And obviously, when Lakshya was struggling a bit in the beginning, despite the struggle, the crowd was cheering so hard that it will automatically pump up the player. It's as simple as the way the crowd was cheering for Lakshya Sen, for other players as well. But yeah, if we talk about Lakshya Sen, the way the crowd was cheering, it was quite evident that the cheers were making him more pumped up. And not only Lakshya Sen, all the other Indian players who played, Unnati Huda and many other players, each and every Indian player got the cheers, and the cheers were getting louder as the evening was approaching. So that was the update, that was the fan perspective from the day 2 of the Badminton World Championship. And for more such updates, news and latest news, keep watching Rev Sports. Thank you so much for watching.